Hello everyone, it's Naturally Cookie. Welcome back to my channel. I have another DIY for you. This is DIY number 10. We're going to make this Black African Soap Shampoo. Let's get right into this video.
And all the friends, let's go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos. Overweight we go. Ain't no ho-ho-hos. Yeah.
Hello everyone, it's Naturally Cookie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be coming with a DIY on how I make my Black African Soap Shampoo. Okay, so let's get into this video. Okay, so first I'm going to take my Black African soap. This is the brand that I use here. It comes in 3 bars. A little bit goes a long way. I'm going to start off by taking one of the bars, and I'm only going to use about 1/4 of that bar. I'm going to take my cheese shredder, and I'm going to use the big setting. And I'm going to shred about, like I said, 1/4 of this bar down. Some people just cut theirs in little pieces. I like to shred mine because it makes it melt faster. So I'm going to go ahead and shred this bar down to the amount that I need, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm finished shredding the amount that I'm going to use, which is, like I told you, about 1/4 of the bar. I took another bar out and I laid this one on top of it just so you can see exactly how much I used. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my coffee cup. The reason why I have it I'm putting it in a coffee cup is because you're going to do the double boiler method to melt it down. And I know that this ceramic cup can get extremely hot. So I'll be right back once I put this in the cup. Okay, so now that I have it inside of my cup, I am going to melt mine down with aloe vera juice instead of using distilled water. This is the brand of aloe vera juice I use. I'm going to pour about 2 cups of aloe vera juice in here. I'm going to start off with 1 cup. I'm going to also put about a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. This is the brand that I use. Next, I'm going to start off and put with my powders about a teaspoon of aloe vera powder. About a teaspoon of aloe vera powder. About a teaspoon of slippery elm powder. And last, I'm going to add a teaspoon of bentonite clay. This is the brand that I use. Alright, I do have a pot of water boiling on the stove already. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Now that I have my cup on the stove and doing the double boiler method, I'm going to give this a stir. I'm just going to keep stirring until my black soap has completely dissolved and all of my powders are completely combined with the aloe vera juice. This should take no more than 15 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, this is how my mixture is looking. I'm going to attempt to transfer this to the bottle that I normally keep my Black African Soap Shampoo in. I just continue to keep reusing the same bottle over and over again. So, I don't have a funnel, but I made a funnel out of paper. I'm going to try not to make a mess here. Wish me luck. I actually had too much, poured too much in the funnel, but it filled the bottle up. This is how the inside of the funnel is looking. Not too bad for a paper funnel. Let me clean up my mess. If you hear noise in the background now, I apologize. I turned my fan on because a girl got hot standing over the stove with that boiling water. I do not do heat. That's what I have left, enough to fill up a whole nother bottle. I'm just going to put that in my silicone molds. Fold. I'm just going to apply these in my silicone molds and place it in the freezer and freeze it. And then I'll use it as a shampoo bar when I run out of the liquid form I have. This is my silicone molds. There's 2 of them. I only need 1. And I'm just going to pour the remainder. what is actually left in here. When the bottle settles, I'm going to have room to pour a little bit more inside of my shampoo bottle. So I have to wait about 10-15 minutes for it to settle. Alright, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I make my Black African Soap Shampoo. You know your girl is extra. You don't have to put all the ingredients that I put in mine and yours. All you really need is just the Black African soap bar of your choice, a quarter of the bar. Use your cheese shredder, shred it down or cut it up into pieces. You can put it in distilled water or aloe vera juice like I did. Melt it down and there you go. Your girl is extra, so I like to do the most to everything, which reminds me to add some peppermint oils. To my mixture. Alright, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumb up this video if you like this content. Please share this video with your family and friends. It is 2021. I hope you guys are enjoying the new year, leaving everything in 2020 behind, all the drama, all the nonsense, all the haters. Anything that got in your way or stop you from doing whatever you want to achieve this year, make sure you go for it. Don't let no one stop you, not even yourself. So until next time, you guys, this is Naturally Cookie. Everybody stay blessed. Hey, hey, hey. So you made it to the end of my video. Hey, just want to say, what are you waiting on? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go on ahead and subscribe. I know you like what you heard, so go on ahead and hit that thumbs up button too. And while you at it, hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. It's okay. Go on ahead and share with your family and friends too. Hey, I appreciate the love. And for making it all the way to the end, I just want to say, I appreciate you. I truly do. I appreciate you. I truly do. Hey. Till next time, stay blessed, y'all.